Earning money isn't easy. That is why we work or do business. Income's generated passively and actively. Active income requires you to go to work every day and harness your skills on the job. On the other hand, passive income is conjured without exerting physical effort. Now, which do you prefer? Of course, everybody dreams of earning $100 a day while sleeping. If you want to learn how to earn dollars in your sleep, hit the like and subscribe button before we continue. Passive income is both a dream and a ripoff. Yep, it's a little bit of both. So, how do millionaires even become richer by the minute when all of us have the same 24 hours in a day? It's because the majority of their income streams passively. Since there's no such thing as perfect in this world, passive income is still going to require your money or your time, or sometimes both upfront. So just know that there really isn't a shortcut to success. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 real ways to generate passive income. The first one is proven and tested to be one of the pillars of passive income. It is as passive as it could get, and this is what we call dividend investing. Think of it as you buying a share of a company, so now you own a fraction of it. Then the company pays its shareholders dividends that come from their profits. This is completely passive because all you have to do is to buy the stocks and use your dividend to buy more stocks from the company or reinvest in other businesses. Now, how do you earn $100 a day from dividend investing? Let's say that you want to invest in a company like Exxon, which gives you a 5% dividend yield if you invest $730,000. If you were to place $1,000 a month for 25 years, then a significant dividend portfolio is what you'll have, where from there forward you'll be making $100 a day in passive income from dividends alone. If you're 30 years old right now, then by the time you're 50, you could reach that goal. The second on our list is affiliate marketing, which doesn't really require you to have tons of cash to earn, but instead allows you to make passive income by promoting other products or services on either your website or on social media, or even through your friends. You can earn commissions when someone purchases those products or services, and to get started on this kind of investing, you can check out Amazon's affiliate program. You get a certain percentage of the sale if someone buys the product you recommended on your social media by clicking on the link, and then they're redirected to Amazon's website. Although it might not give you the $100 a day from the beginning, your commissions will grow as time passes by. By the way, if you've liked what you've seen so far, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, placing third on our list is for those who have both time and money on their hands. Don't get me wrong, this requirement is only needed in the beginning stages of this kind of income. If you have both, then investing in real estate to earn passive income through renting properties might be the perfect money generating way. It just has a couple of requirements such as a good credit score, employment information, and you must have enough to pay for the down payment as well as the associated costs. For this to completely work, you must have a property and good tenants to pay on time. This kind of passive income truly is up to you. If you want to manage the rental properties by yourself, then it might take a little more effort and time on your part. But you can also hire a manager to oversee the workings of the place on your behalf. But if you're not ready to own any rental properties or you feel that you can't manage them well, I have another recommendation. Another way to have a feel of the real estate market and make passive income is through investing in REITs, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trusts. This time, you don't directly own the property, but instead, you're investing in these company-owned buildings. Just like buying a share of Amazon or Apple, you can go buy a share in an REIT, and now you get to benefit in the upside because that REIT is going to share profits with you because they're required to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders. So cast your worries aside and leave them all in the capable hands of these developers. Number 5 on our list of passive income generating activities is creating an online course. This is actually a growing trend online these days. Due to COVID, people can't go to school anymore, so now these online courses have become a boom, and then just like that, you can search for an online class for almost anything. Sewing, baking, mathematics, physics, and even hairstyling. To get started with an online course, all you need is a skill that you're willing to teach others and people who are willing to pay to learn that skill. It's a pretty simple combination, but you just have to have the confidence and, of course, have the uploading platform to place your course in, such as Udemy or Skillshare, or if you already have your own website, you can pretty much host your lessons there. The only struggle you'll have is at the beginning stage where you'll have to design and create your program, where you'll be spending hours and a little bit more money for references, but hey, once you've passed that, you can then begin to teach students. Just remember, patience is your friend. After that, it's all passive income your way. Are you already planning passive income generating activity? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and before you forget, hit the like and subscribe button. The sixth one on our list is a popular passive income activity these days, where you upload videos and just wait as the viewers and subscribers go up. Can you guess what it is? Well, you're listening to one right now. Creating a YouTube channel. In the beginning, it's a tiresome project. Factors such as the content, videography, and the flow of a single YouTube video is already gruesome work. But once you get the hang of it and find your own tune, you can easily come up with your own ideas for your next video. With 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can be part of the YouTube Partner Program. For every view you get on your channel, you get to earn money. Advertisers pay YouTube a certain amount for every 1,000 views on your video, and YouTube gives you 55% of that amount. This is definitely passive because once you achieve a few thousand subscribers, even as you're conceptualizing the content for your next video, you're already earning money based on the videos that you uploaded in the past. Think of it as virtual real estate. YouTube videos stay longer than what you post on Instagram or Twitter. As long as people search for the correct or related words, your videos are bound to pop up on the video list and can be viewed for years to come. The last one on our list is something I'm pretty sure you're familiar with. Too familiar with. This is what we call recurring revenue. As movies are now commonly enjoyed in the comfort of our own homes, subscription-based entertainment such as Netflix and Hulu have become well known throughout this digital age. If you're not a techie person yourself, you can still have recurring revenue through sites like Patreon, where viewers and fans alike pay a couple of dollars a month to show their support for your work, to get early access to products and videos that you offer. For our channel though, we don't have that, but if you hit that like button, it's all we could really ask for. If you don't have products, skills, or videos to offer, there are also other ways to make recurring revenue. You can always make use of your time browsing the internet or scrolling on Facebook. Well, in this case, you can sell monthly access to a membership community or a Facebook group where you've built a community around. Creating real estate apps and selling them to your community can also earn you thousands of dollars a month. The amazing part of passive income is you don't have to endure hard labor or go to work every day because money is already flowing to your bank account even while you're lazing all day. You just need to have the confidence to begin with and to spend a little time growing that business. After all, nothing comes easy. Alright, well there you go. You have 7 ways on how to start. And it's completely up to you to ponder which path you'll take, or maybe you'll create one that's unique to you. As we end this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button before you go. See you!